Just couldn't walk no more, couldn't take the pain.
28 years old, went from working out, doing all the fun things he wanted to do, spending time with his family and his daughter, his wife, and now he's on disability, or headed there, and can't walk without this, has a walker. Okay, live from the Nerve Health Institute, we've got Tad here today, and unfortunately his back has been not good for the past, how long now?
About a year and a half.
He's had 3 surgeries. They've tried to help his back with 3 different surgeries. And how old are you?
28.
28 years old, went from working out, doing all the fun things he wanted to do, spending time with his family and his daughter, his wife, and now he's on disability, or headed there, and can't walk without this, has a walker. This is his first visit, so I want you to see what he looks like before we start doing any work on him. Just face that way, Tad. Okay. It's almost everything you have to walk, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is 28 years old, so we're gonna do our best to help you, my man. Okay. Hang in there. All right. Stay tuned for results. Okay, we're live from the Nerve Health Institute. This is Tad Touchette today. And so Tad, tell us a little bit about your story, about what brought you here. Maybe that phone call when you called me that one day.
Yes, sir. Called you up on a Friday afternoon. A lot of pain, couldn't walk, sitting there. After 3 surgeries in a year, couldn't get no relief. So it was time to make the call.
Tell everybody what you were experiencing before this. Like, why did you go see a surgeon in the first place?
Started in the back, down the leg.
Can you point to us for it?
Started in the back.
Yeah.
Here, all the way down, into the groin, to the knee, all the way into the foot. Went numb. Just couldn't walk no more, couldn't take the pain.
So you thought the surgery was going to be a quick fix?
Yes, sir.
I think everybody thinks that
Yes.
they're going to go have surgery and it's going to just be a quick fix. And when the first one fails, you think, well, I'll go have another one, right?
Yeah, that's what they told me. I needed another one.
And the surgeon you saw is a pretty good surgeon, right?
Yes.
I mean,
Yep.
who does he do surgery for?
The Spine Institute of Louisiana.
So, but he does for like a lot of athletes and
Yes.
stuff. A lot of these surgeons, again, don't know that we exist. They don't know what we do here. And they just think conventional therapy options, but we are on a whole nother level with what we're doing. So how long, this has only been a little bit over 2 weeks
Correct.
that we've seen you. I know your first visit, you came in, you couldn't drive, right? You couldn't sleep in your bed, right? You couldn't even walk. You couldn't stand up like this. You were really, really crooked. You were with a walker or a cane.
Yep.
And I know you have a little girl and a wife at home, and you couldn't do very much with your daughter.
Nothing.
So what are you doing with your daughter now?
Walking around in the yard, enjoying sitting on the floor with her,
Awesome.
enjoying time.
All right, we're progressing you back, man.
Yes, sir.
So, and work, you're about to, I know you have a body shop, your
Yep.
family does, so you'll start getting more active with your body work and getting stuff there. So again, this has only been a 2-week period, and this is the sort of stuff we see pretty routinely here at the Nerve Health Institute. So check us out. It's really fun, and we get results.